When you attend a Japanese class, you will often hear your teacher address the students as "minasan." Your teacher will tell you that it means everyone. However, you may also hear other words like minna and zein, which also mean everyone. So, how do you use them correctly? This short video explains which expression is most appropriate in different contexts. Japanese learners often get confused about the pronunciation of minasan and minna, but minasan doesn't have an sound between mi and na. It should be used when you are addressing everyone. For example, 皆さん、25ページを開けてください。Everyone, please open to page 25. This sentence directly addresses a classroom by calling them 皆さん。社長から皆さんにいいお知らせがあります。There is good news for everyone from the company president. This sentence does not directly address everyone, but informs them that the company president will deliver forthcoming good news to everyone. It is used to address everyone directly, and it is a noun. The formal version of 皆さん is 皆様. How about みんな? Can you use it interchangeably with 皆さん? In many cases, they are not exactly interchangeable. みんな means everyone, but it can also mean everything. It is a noun, pronoun, and adverb. みんな can also be used to address a group of people, but it is used less frequently than 皆さん or 皆様, as these two are more polite when addressing others. Here are some examples. 今日みんな早く帰りました。Today everyone went home early. In this sentence, you are not talking directly to everyone, but just telling someone that everyone went home early. 桜はもうみんな散りました。Cherry blossoms have already all fallen. In this example, みんな is used as all, referencing to the cherry blossoms. To summarize, みんな means all. It's often used as an adverb, but it's also a noun and pronoun. It is a colloquial version of みんな. You may also know 全員, which also means everyone. This is a more formal expression than 皆さん or みんな, but it can never be used to address people directly. It's similar to みんな, but while みんな can refer to things other than people, 全員 refers only to people. Here are some examples. 今日全員早く帰りました。Today everyone went home early. This is the same sentence I introduced earlier, but now with みんな replaced by 全員. Since this sentence uses 全員, it sounds more formal. An interesting difference from みんな is that we often use みんな to mean almost everyone, where there could be a small number of exceptions, while 全員 implies everyone without any exceptions. このボートに全員は乗れません。Not everyone can ride in this boat. Usually, you don't use は followed by 全員, but this example is emphasizing not everyone in the negative sentence by using the particle は with 全員. This is a noun, but some dictionaries indicate it is also an adverb. Here's the summary. 皆さん means everyone, and 皆様 is a more polite form of that. It's used to address a group of people. みんな is a casual form of みな, and it means all. It can refer to people or things. Although you can also address people with みんな, it's used less frequently than 皆さん and 皆様. This is mainly used to talk about all rather than addressing a group of people directly. 全員 is a more formal expression to refer to a group of people than みんな. This word implies everyone without any exceptions, while minna can mean almost all. 全員 only refers to people. In terms of addressing a group of people, 皆様 is the most formal expression, followed by 皆さん. みんな or 皆 can be used when addressing children or close friends. In terms of referencing a group of people, 全員 is more formal than みんな. The differences between two words go slightly beyond formality. みんな can reference a group of things other than people, while 全員 is only used for people. みんな is more forgiving of small exception in a statement, whereas 全員 implies absolutely everyone in the group. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. You can also participate in daily quizzes from the community section. If you have any requests for Japanese grammar to be covered, please leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.